Hi everyone, now we are going to unbox this box parcel. So let's open up. So inside the cover we have a box and that's fully taped. So let's open this. Okay, so inside the box we have some packaging and let it be aside. So let's open this. Okay, so inside the cover we have few open bundles. I have ordered it from a dealer. So let's open and see what we have. All of these are open bundles, that is like half bundle. So the first lot we have here is 1992 1 rupee, and there is some like almost 30 notes in here, so let it be there. So the next we have here is 1989 1 rupee, signed by Gopi K. Arora. So this also some few 1 rupee notes. And the next open bundle we have here is 1984 Pratap Kishan Kaul signature. So this also open 1 rupee bundle. And the next we have here is R.N. Malhotra. R.N. Malhotra A insect. In the A insect we have few notes. Okay, so let it be. And again R.N. Malhotra signature, starts from 56. So these are also all UNC in condition. And the best part of this collection is Manmohan Singh. You can see the signature, Manmohan Singh, 10 rupees notes. Okay, so starts from number 31 and goes on till 600. So totally now we have 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. So 6 bundles in this parcel. So that's all guys, hope you all like the video. Hit the like button.